Here, we're going to find the area of a pentagon. The problem with the pentagon is because of that angle, 36 degrees, which each of these triangles would have a 72-degree angle in there. But it's not a nice angle that gives us an answer we can find exactly. We have to use trigonometry here. So if we call this side here x, and we see that it's the opposite and 8 is the adjacent, we know opposite and adjacent is tangent. We can say the tangent of 36 degrees is equal to x over 8. If we put the tangent of 36 over 1, we can cross multiply. X will be 8 tangent 36. Now what we need in order to find the area is we need one side. We actually need the perimeter. This is of course 2x, which should be twice whatever x is. So a side of this pentagon is twice as big as the 8 tangent of 36 degrees, which would be 16 tangent of 36 degrees. Which means the perimeter would be 5 of those sides, and 5 times 16 is 80. It'd be 80 tangent of 36 degrees. Now you'll notice I'm not reaching for my calculator and making this a decimal. In general, you don't want to round until you get your final answer. Otherwise, you're going to throw a lot of error in, depending on what you're multiplying by. So we learned earlier, when we talked about a hexagon, that the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 the apothem, and the apothem is the height of one of those triangles. That's your apothem, 8 feet, times the perimeter. So for us, that would be 1/2 the apothem, 8, times the perimeter, 80 tangent of 36 degrees. 1/2 of 8 is 4, and 4 times 80 is 320. Now at this point, we'll reach for our calculator and round. 320 times the tangent of 36, and we get 232.5. And we always label feet squared because we're finding the area.